Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Shernette, and in today's video I am going to be doing a first impressions review on LUS Brands Love Your Curls styling system. It's also a Canadian brand, so you guys already know what it is. That's just home to me. So I'm pretty much just gonna jump right into the video and show you guys how I got these results and basically how to use these products. Just to be honest with you guys, this may go down as one of the best wash and goes I have ever done with minimal products being used. So if you guys want to see how I got these results, just keep watching. Alright guys, so my hair is freshly washed and conditioned. I definitely have to say that for the shampoo, it was super hydrating and it definitely cleansed my scalp, and my hair still felt great before I put the conditioner in. And as for the conditioner, I had never applied conditioner like that before. Like normally when I apply the conditioner in my hair, I am detangling as I go. But the instructions for this one was to just apply it on the hair, leave it in for 2 to 3 minutes, which I did, and then you add some water to the product and I guess it reactivates the conditioner, and then you're supposed to detangle it either with a wide tooth comb or as I did with my fingers. I really love the smell, and it's just, my hair feels great right now. So now I'm gonna go in with step 3. It is an all-in-one repair, hydrate, and style. So with this one, it's supposed to be a one product styler. For me, I normally use 3. I use a lotion, a cream, and an oil, and normally in the lock method form. So this is definitely gonna be interesting for me to see. I'm always worried that I'll get some frizz or I won't get any definition, but we're gonna try this out and see how the results are. If I didn't mention already, the products are sulfate, silicone, paraben, paraffin, phthalates, propylene, glycol, DEA, mineral oil, gluten, synthetic dyes, colorant free. So it is all of that good stuff that our curls need to stay super hydrated. It says this product is activated by water, which makes sense because the instructions for the conditioner was to reapply the water. Section hair wet thoroughly, add product, rake and smooth, squeeze out excess water, and scrunch, air dry or diffuse. Alright, something I know about LUS Curl brands before I even tried them was that a little goes a long way. That's something that everybody, including themselves, say about their products. So a little goes a long way, and I love that water is it's activator, because that just means you're gonna use less product. And if I could find a product that works with a little amount and just water, like, I'd be saving money, you know what I mean? My hair is still kind of soaked, but I'm gonna go in with a spray bottle and spray my roots. Normally I section my hair into 4, but I didn't have an extra clip. Okay. Took me a couple pumps, but I just took 2 pumps there, and I'm just gonna apply it through my damp, soaked hair. Okay, I have to trust the process. I'm so tempted to put more product in there, but I think I'm just gonna go with half a pump. There we go. Because I feel like I didn't get it properly back here. This is to rake through and distribute it evenly. I'm gonna saturate my hair again. So we're gonna go in with another 2 pumps. And from root to tip, we're gonna apply. Whew. So now I'm gonna section my top half into 2 and onto this one. Two pumps in this one as well. get it good. So now I have applied the all-in-one styler, and this is pretty much all the hair shedding I got, which is amazing. If you guys see in my earlier clips that I didn't lose much hair as it is, and for me to lose that little hair is incredible. I'm gonna go in and scratch. Gently scratch. You guys already know that I'm gonna go in and diffuse. So I'm gonna diffuse, be right back, because nobody's trying to watch how I'm diffusing my hair. And if you guys really are trying to watch how I'm diffusing my hair, leave a comment down below and maybe I'll do a video. Whoa. So these are the final results for my curl. I'm so amazed with the results. It also says not to touch your hair until it's fully dried. I may have not listened 100%, and that's why I have like teeny tiny amount of frizz. So I'm just shocked that this bottle, it still feels like I never took anything out of it. It still feels full. I probably used, let me see how many pumps in total. Each section of my hair, I did 4 sections. I did about what, 2, 4, 6, 8 pumps in my hair, 2 pumps per section. And I just overloaded with the water. But I think that this is such an amazing product. Look at that, I got so much definition and so much shine and hold, and I didn't add any oil, I didn't add any cream, I barely used any product. Normally I just go off and I like load as much as I can, especially because it's winter and my hair does have a hard time retaining moisture during this time of the year. But I'm just definitely gonna say that this is the most beautiful results I've seen in a product in a very long time. I just can't stop flinging my hair around. It's so bouncy and soft, and it's so soft. There's no cast I had to break. This is just an amazing experience, and I'm so glad that I got to try it. And for anybody that's looking for a new product that's just something completely different, something low maintenance, and to get you the results that you're looking for, this is definitely it. I'm actually going to be leaving a link down below on their Instagram and their website where you guys can purchase, you know, this set if you want to try it out. Another thing is I am using the curly all-in-one styler. There's also one for wavy and kinky hair or coily hair. So yeah guys, this is the final results of my amazing wash and go with LUS Brands. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This is the end of the video. I really hoped you liked this, and thumbs up for more curly hair routines because this was awesome. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one.